man. No, I'm there on the corner, be. Me come. So come, man. Not forward.
No, Michelle, away, man, there.
You can't wait, China?
Look how long we wait for him.
You have no home training.
You're lucky.
If you're there,
I feel with the
Sorry for being so late.
So why you have my friend away so long, sir?
Lord, China.
We're hungry.
Baby, I love how you come out look good today, no, baby. Sure. Oh, your eyes are pretty, you know, my girl. Wow.
Michelle, away your order.
Just a soup and a sandwich.
Soup and sandwich can full nobody belly. Waiter, hello. Take my order, sir. Everything.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, everything look nice on the menu here. How are this? I can't pronounce that one here.
That's the appetizer, ma'am.
Okay, I go want this, that.
That is some.
I go want this too. What I want here? Hold on, okay, I go want that. What I want here too?
That's the Louisiana fried chicken.
Yeah, I want that too. Alright, I'm just hold on. Oh yes. What that? This look. I go want what this?
That's the.
I want this. What I want here?
That's the.
I go want this too. This look. Oh God, this look nice. I go want this that. I want this too. Sir, no, I want 3 from the main course too, you know, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
You realize that the appetizers come in small portions, right? Then the main course is a full meal.
Yo, my youth, you don't know say I can't want long, man. You don't know say I invite out my girl dog and she bring her long belly friend for the thing, brother. Man, that be a thing she out there going with no, my youth. All the embarrassment and them thing there, no, brother, my youth. Man, that she don't even know that right now. Cut man, no cut left all you that girl out there saying, brother. Come on, she bring her long belly friend for her dog. Damn, don't even know what me I gotta do in a man. God, I don't know what me I gotta do, brother. Big man thing, dog. Alright now, come like the girl out there order a bag of thing charge, a bag of thing, brother. But even have so much money, man, you come with 1 grand and the girl come like she go spend bomb buckle at 5 grand or 6 grand charge. I don't even know what me I gotta do, brother. Nah, like, I go out there and see what I'm going to do. That's it. Waiter!
What seems to be the problem?
You know see what the problem?
Oh my gosh.
Where bill? What bill?
When you order.
I want more.
Look here now, waiter. This and this she appear for that. You see me I say?
One person eat all of that?
She appear for that.
Well, sir. Hello, no, where me buy me a pay for, sir? And you invite you to the
Me never invite you.
No, you invite me.
Listen, she me invite you.
Calm down. There's a this is a restaurant. Come on. There must be a way to sort this out.
For dinner, so I must pay. Thank you. One more walk in a broke pocket man you come and road with.
So watch them. I left this thing that me I tell you.
Hey, wait, don't make him go through the door, you know? Broke pocket man you are
China never there for one so do.
But I was hungry.
Okay, look man gone, China.
I was hungry.
Hold on. So who's going to pay for this?
Sir, fear man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.